Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve layout tab is missing in Microsoft Word. So guys, for any reason you are not able to see the layout tab, you can fix this issue easily. Just click on File and here click on Options. Now guys, in this left side panel there are some settings. Click on Customize ribbon. Now here select all tabs and you need to find out layout tab. This one, select it, then click on OK. Now reopen your Microsoft Word. So using this setting, you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.